Alright, this is our 2010 Corolla Matrix. This car was in a sideswipe accident and it was repaired, and then we purchased it. We are starting to hear a creaking sound when turning, also when accelerating from a strong braking stop. Car isn't moving at all, but if you make tight turns, you get some creaking at both ends. It's not coming from one tire specifically or one side of the car. It's out on both sides. It sounds about the same. I'll give an example of what it sounds like here. It's almost like a popping sound, and it can be controlled with how far you turn the wheel. Just right as you hit the end of either turn. And I've glanced underneath a couple times. I didn't see anything leaking, like out of a boot or anything obvious, so maybe you guys can help me out. Thanks.